As an expert in accounting software, I often encounter questions about the financial health and success of various platforms. One name that frequently comes up, especially among freelancers, small business owners, and those navigating the world of cloud-based accounting, is FreshBooks. The question, how much does FreshBooks make, is a natural one, reflecting a broader interest in the performance and sustainability of the tools we rely on. However, pinpointing the exact revenue figures for a private company like FreshBooks can be a bit like trying to catch smoke. Unlike publicly traded companies, private entities are not obligated to disclose their financial statements to the general public. This means we don't have access to neat quarterly or annual reports detailing their income, expenses, and profits. Despite this lack of publicly available data, we can still piece together a reasonable understanding of FreshBooks' financial scale and success by looking at various indicators and making informed estimations based on the information that is available. Understanding FreshBooks' business model, the foundation of their revenue. To estimate FreshBooks' earnings, it's crucial to first understand how they generate revenue. Their core business model revolves around a subscription-based service. They offer different pricing tiers, each catering to varying needs in terms of the number of clients, features, and support. Subscription fees. This is the primary source of their income. Users pay a recurring fee, monthly or annually, to access FreshBooks' suite of accounting and invoicing tools. The different tiers, often named something like Lite, Plus, Premium, and sometimes Select, offer a range of features and client limits, directly influencing the average revenue per user. Add-on services. Beyond the core subscription, FreshBooks may offer additional services or integrations for which users might pay extra. These could include advanced reporting features, integrations with specific payment gateways, or specialized support packages. Partnerships and affiliate programs. FreshBooks likely has partnerships with other businesses and may run affiliate programs where they earn a commission for referring new customers. Key indicators of FreshBooks' financial success. While exact figures are elusive, several indicators point towards FreshBooks being a successful and likely high-revenue-generating company. Large and growing user base. FreshBooks has been a prominent player in the cloud accounting software market for over 2 decades. They have consistently touted a significant and growing user base, often cited in the millions. A large number of subscribers directly translates to substantial recurring revenue. Established brand reputation. FreshBooks has built a strong brand reputation, particularly among freelancers and small businesses. Their user-friendly interface and focus on invoicing and project management have resonated well with this target audience. A strong brand often commands customer loyalty and attracts new users. Consistent feature development and updates. FreshBooks regularly invests in developing new features and updating its platform. This continuous improvement suggests a healthy financial position that allows for ongoing research and development. Positive customer reviews and testimonials. The internet is filled with positive reviews and testimonials from FreshBooks users, highlighting its ease of use and effectiveness. Happy customers are more likely to remain subscribers, contributing to long-term revenue stability. Market position. FreshBooks occupies a significant niche within the accounting software landscape, particularly catering to service-based businesses. Their specialization allows them to tailor their offerings effectively and capture a substantial market share. Funding history. Though dated while FreshBooks is now a mature company, past funding rounds can offer insights into their valuation and potential revenue trajectory. While specific details might be outdated, previous investments suggest confidence in their growth potential.